focusing on aesthetics instead of functionality? It's easy to be lured by the thought of a stunning new kitchen or luxurious bathroom, but one of the most common pitfalls when buying a fixer-upper is prioritizing aesthetics over functionality. While visual upgrades are exciting, they won't matter much if the home doesn't operate efficiently or meet your practical needs. Start with the basics. Does the home have a reliable HVAC system, updated plumbing, and a secure electrical grid? These functional elements often require significant investment, but they form the backbone of a safe and comfortable living environment. A gleaming new kitchen won't compensate for a home that can't maintain consistent heating or cooling. Another critical consideration is the layout. A home's floor plan can dictate how functional and livable the space is, especially for families. Do you have enough bathrooms for the number of bedrooms? Is the kitchen positioned conveniently near the dining and living areas? Addressing these structural issues during your renovation might require knocking down walls or rearranging spaces, which can be more complex and costly than you anticipate. Don't forget to think long-term. Are you planning to expand your family or accommodate multi-generational living? If so, make sure the functionality of your renovations aligns with those future needs. A good fixer-upper investment isn't just about making a home look good, it's about creating a space that works well for everyday life.